Let's see what's behind this wall. Sasha want to break it, and she's been want to break it. She told me there's something behind it, but this is China room. So right now I'm about to open it and let's see what's behind it. So watch out. Let's open it. Open it, guys. You want to open this wall with me? I'm about to open it. Okay, so Sasha said there's something behind this wall, so I don't know what's behind it. And all this time she want to open it. So I'm gonna surprise her today and open it before she get back from school. It's going to be open, so I think I start from here. Here, I'm not sure. I think I start from here. Let's open here. So open it here. But I'm not opening here. Should I just break it? Should I break it, guys? Should I break it or don't break it? Break it with a hammer. Oh, oh. And if I do, then I'm gonna put it right here. Let's open it. Is there something on that for Apple Watch? Yes, I remember calling them like a long time ago when I was trying to like get information because I don't even remember because like the way I did it was we set up an account with my friend, my friend had I'm breaking it, guys. Added more information to the phone. And it was just a whole new thing. Like, they got everything wrong, so I can't remember any information. Like, I don't know the password to the first. It is not shallow. All I know is I keep getting letters in the mail saying it is not useful. I told Sasha it is not shallow and it's not useful. So, guys, I did that for no reason. Now the was all messed up. Okay. You're gonna have to fix it. Alright, thank you. I think my name is on the. You can see what's behind it. That's they sent like that's what they sent me. See what's behind it. Let me go check my email. Okay. I just blew the door for no reason and then there's nothing behind it. I told Sasha she cannot use it for space, but she said she can use it. I'm gonna show you guys. Close. Look. Look close what it is. You see? It is just an empty space that Sasha thinks she can use, but she cannot use it for storage. She made me break it. Now I break it for no reason. And now it's wide open. We're gonna have to fix that. Look inside. It's of no use. Sasha think it was bigger, but it's not big. I told Sasha, I said it's not big. She said no, we can use it. It's big. You see now? She make me punch this hole on the wall. And now look all the mess I made. When she come today, she's gonna have to fix it. Big mess. You see what I did? Alright guys, so when Sasha come back, she's fixing this and I'm not the one fixing it. Bye. Peace out. No, look, you see this one? I have a big hole in there.
I told Sasha there's nothing in here that she can use. She keep arguing with me because I know what it looked like before. Now she said she want to put her shoes in here. I said this place is like no space at all. She said it's a big, shallow, big hole in there. She can use it. Now she can use it. There's nothing, no space in there. So yeah, when she comes, she will be fixing it by herself. You will see it. It's right there. Got the shade rock.